What is up, YouTube? Back out here for another video today. I'm down at a local river today doing some white bass fishing. Where's your home? Oh, you got one leg. You got one leg. Where's that? That's where we're at. Got one. I got a report this morning that there are white bass being caught. Oh my God, there's a dog right here. There's a loose dog right here. Where's your home? Oh, you got one leg. You got one leg. Where's your home? Please don't bite me. Come here, puppy. I won't hurt you. I won't hurt you. Hi, puppy. Can I pet you? Hi. You got one leg. Are you gonna be my fishing buddy today? Yeah, he's right here. Come on, dude. Oh, no problem. Found his dog. Well, apparently that dog did have an owner. Anyway, so I got some reports of some white bass being caught down here this morning. So I'm just checking on it. My brother's got a bachelor party this weekend. So I am not gonna be fishing very much this weekend. So I figured I'd come down here today, film a little bit for you guys, and see if I can't get on some fish. I'm gonna get right into it down here, go to the first spot. You guys catching them all or what?
I caught one.
White bass?
Yeah.
Yes!
My husband caught 7 last night.
Nice! Hey, if you guys are interested in trying a new style of bait, they're called Cast Cray baits. They're from right here in Alliance, Ohio. This is one of their baits. I don't have any extra packs on me.
Did they do the thing at Tall Tales this weekend?
Yes, yes,
yeah, we got some.
Yes, nice, nice.
We got
Thank
some
you guys.
ones.
Appreciate it.
Do you work for them?
I'm sponsored by them. I'm on their pro team. I make YouTube videos.
Oh, no. What's your name?
It's FisherBassinTv.
FisherBassinTV.
It's all one word. FisherBassin TV. I'm actually filming right now. You're on camera.
So FisherBassinTV.
INTV. Yep.
Cool, I'm about to send it to my husband. You can watch.
Thank you.
No problem.
You guys might be in this video if this makes it a video. So,
well, good luck.
if you don't mind.
She cast it out one time and caught it, like, right off the bat. Caught it.
What, right here?
No, we were down there.
Nice, nice.
It's weird because they're normally not in right now.
Yeah. Normally you got to get some green on the trees and then they're in.
Well, hey, might be early this year.
Yeah, I'm looking. Yeah, good luck to you guys. They're here, guys. They're here. This is the bait I'm going to be using today. This is the Crap Slap swim bait on a Roadrunner head. I think it's a 1/16 ounce. It's still a little bit early, so I don't know if there's a lot of them in here yet, but I'm gonna go down just past the bridge up here, and then if I don't catch anything past the bridge, then we're gonna shoot back up the trail and go to the spilling way. But this is like the community hole right here. Everybody comes to this spot. There's a lot of snags in this river as well, so you might see me retie quite often. I've been waiting to catch white bass on this rod too. This is a super light rod, super light rod. It's the Shakespeare Micro Series. It's like a $20 rod, but hey, for how light it is, I love it. Great for like crappie. Ooh, I just got bit. Super windy. Hope a tree doesn't fall on me today. That would be a damper in the plans. Super duper windy. Go cast upstream. One thing you guys want to do when you guys are fishing rivers is you want to cast upstream, so the bait looks like it's coming downstream naturally. We need one more big rain. I just had one. There it is. That's a crappie. Oh no, that's a white bass. You want him?
Oh, yeah.
There it is, guys. Little white bass. Little white bass. That's what we're after right there. That's what we're after. I'm gonna give this fish to this guy. I'm not keeping any today, but I definitely will be. My channel's FisherBassinTv. This is gonna be a video.
Okay, gotcha.
You're probably gonna be on it if you don't mind.
No, I don't mind. I don't mind at all, brother.
Is that a fish? No, it's a stick. 3-pounder right there, 3-pounder. One thing about these fish is you got to find where they are relative to the river or body of water you're fishing. So sometimes they might set up on the bank closest to you. Sometimes they might like set up on the bank furthest away from you. But I caught that one on the bank close to me here. I seen one jump right there right after I caught that one. Right where you're casting. Good luck, man. All right, guys, so at that spot we got one. So I'm walking down to this next little spot that I know of here on the river. And then if I don't get anything there, I'm going to move over to the spillway area. And we're gonna try there, and then that'll probably be the end of our journey for today. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure you guys drop a like, leave a comment, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
What color did you get your dog?
I'm using alien slime. White head. I used a chartreuse head and didn't catch nothing on it. I'm using a 16th ounce.
All right, later.
Later. Got one. It's that white head, man. It's exactly what it is. All right, guys, there's another white bass. All right, guys, so we are at the next spot, and Chris from Mello's Outdoor Adventure decided to join us and his buddy Joe. So we're down here. This is the last spot that I'm gonna be at, and then I gotta go meet my brother for the bachelor party. So I'll probably be here for a little while, and we're gonna try to get a few more for you guys. I got 2 so far, and we'll see if they're down here. We're hearing a limit's being caught. I caught a few. There's a bunch of people at the last spot. So let's try it out and see what happens. All right, guys, we'll stick with the same program, same color, everything. This spot's a little more open, a little bigger, a little deeper. There's also a possibility that we could catch some waterheads down here. That was good size, whatever that was. Well, I caught another one. I wasn't recording. I had to go give it to Joe. My camera just turned itself off, I guess. As soon as it hit the water. These fish are ferocious, guys. telling you guys, this crap slap works. But they're up a lot higher in the water column than I expected.
What up, dude?
You catching them?
No.
I am. I got 2 more for you guys. Yep, I gotta go. All right, bruh. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Use code FBTV10 for 10% off your order at castcray.com. And as always, guys, keep on fishing.